Hi everyone, it's Anna with Earth Scout, and today we'll be using the Soil Cub soil moisture meter in lettuce beds. So first, what you need to do is install the soil sensor into the soil. There's multiple ways to do that. One of them is to go vertically straight down into the soil. And so we'd push our sensor straight down, making sure that those silver tines are completely covered. Another way to install the sensor and to remove it, you might need to wiggle it back and forth. Another way to install the sensor is horizontally or into the sidewall of the bed or soil that you're using. So at whatever depth that you want, you'll stick that sensor there and again push it all the way in until those silver tines are completely covered. So once we have that sensor installed, we're going to turn on our Soil Cub here. And on the screen it says tap to measure. To take a reading, we're going to tap the front. The screen says measuring, please wait. And in a few seconds, we'll have our volumetric water content, our soil EC, soil temperature, and air humidity in real time right here from this spot in the field. If I wanted to take another reading, say in a different spot or at a different angle, just remove that sensor, find a new place, make sure those tines are completely covered. Then I'm going to tap the cub again to prompt it to take another reading, and then again we'll get instant soil moisture, temperature, and EC readings. So that is how to use the Soil Cub moisture meter. If you have any questions, feel free to visit earthscout.com.